Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to see more of my videos. So in today's video, I will be trying 6 different shades lipstick. So the first 5 shades are basically similar, and these are from Revolution Pro lipstick collection. And the 6th shade that I will be trying on for you guys is from collection. It's called Velvet Kiss Moisturizing Lip Cream. So stay tuned to see the outcome of these shades on me. Alright, so the first shade that I will be trying on is called Bare 113 Whispers. Alright, so the next shade that I will be trying on is Bare 114 Naked Beauty. Shade number 3 is Bare 111 Untouched. Shade number 4 is Bare 112 Sooner or Later. So the last shade of Revolution Pro lipstick collection is Bare 115 Mannequin. So the last shade that I'm trying out is from collection, the Velvet Kiss. So out of all the shades that I've tried on in this video, I would say that my most favorites are Bare 114 Naked Beauty and Bare 115 Mannequin. So these 2 that I've just mentioned are from the Revolution Pro collection. And so lastly, I would say this one is my most favorite one out of all the shades that I've tried. So this one is the collection Velvet, the one that I'm currently having on my lips now. I would say this one comes number 1, then these come afterwards. And so the least favorite one out of all the shades that I have tried on would be Bare 113 Whispers, which was this one. I thought it was way too bright out there for me. It's not like a color I would normally go for. It's too pinkish for me. So yeah, so be sure to leave down a comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite shade that you thought suited me the most, or which kind of shade you would most likely go for. So this is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!